morning, friends. Are you in ready position? Let's sing. 5, 6, 7, 8. The purple team is marching in, hurrah, hooray. The purple team is marching in, hurrah, hooray. The purple team is here to stay. We're ready to learn and play today. Let's get started, hurrah, hooray. Friends, so we are definitely still well in our way of the month of April. And it's this day down here. So 1 and a 6 together. Let's count to see what number this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today is April 16th. But we still don't know what day of the week it is. Let's sing our song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, friends. So, taking a look at the weather, it is certainly a little sunny right now. It's been pretty cloudy throughout the day too. Would you say it's cloudy or sunny? Cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny. I think it's both. We're gonna put both up here. And we are definitely still well in our way of the season of spring. Remember, spring is a part of the pattern of the seasons as well. After spring comes summer, then fall, and then back to winter. Winter, and then back to spring. Right, and we're going to learn a new letter today, friends. We've gone through A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and today, we are going to learn the letter Q. And Q makes a very interesting sound. It makes a qua, 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 qua sound. Or qua, qua, qua. Now, Q has this silly little quirk about it, that if you see it in a word, it always has to be followed by a U. Because Q is such a special sound, and it's not a very strong sound. So it needs that U behind it to support it, to make that qua sound. So the first word I have here is the opposite of a king. So what would that be? Does anybody know what that would be? Qua, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And next, I have a word that is a coin. It's a large silver colored coin. It stands for 25 cents. Does anyone know what that coin is? What this word is? Quarter. Quarter. Quarter also means 1/4 of something. A quarter of something. The next word I have here is a little bird that has a special little feather on top. I don't know if you all would know this bird, but that would be a quail. A quail. Another word I have here that starts with Q as well is when you go really, really fast. We have to hurry up. We have to go quick. Quick starts with Q. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. And like I said, friends, remember, Q has such a special faint sound that it always needs to be followed by a U whenever it's in words. So you see the word queen is Q-U-E-E-N. Quarter is Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quail is Q-U-A-I-A-I-L. And quick is Q-U-I-C-K. So think about words that have the letter Q in them, usually in the beginning. There's not as many words that start with Q's or R that start with other letters. So definitely think about that and that special sound that it makes, the qua, qua, qua sound. My friends, so we've been talking so much about patterns. Well, we talked about patterns in words and with letters and in books and songs. And I started to tell you about this a little bit when we started the month of April. We talked about patterns that are happening in nature right now as spring is becoming full bloom. So things that we're going to start to see are, we're definitely going to see like flowers growing from bulbs that were planted in the wintertime or that were dormant during the winter now come up, and they'll probably bloom again into flowers and break back down throughout the fall and be dormant again through winter and bloom back up and turn green again in the spring, the continuous cycle that plants have. But also, back in winter, we talked about how some animals like to go to sleep for winter, like bears and groundhogs. Can anyone remember the name of that word that starts with an H of what animals do when they go to sleep for the winter? Hibernate. Good job. So spring is the time that you're gonna see these bears and all these other animals coming out of hibernation. That's why you're gonna see a lot more active squirrels and chipmunks all running around. They're all waking back up. Or what about those monarchs that moved to Mexico? Does anybody remember the name of that? When the monarchs moved to Mexico, it's another word that starts with M. Any guesses? Migration. Migration. So yeah, so those monarchs are moving back to America from Mexico. They spent their winter there because it was nice and warm, and the butterflies, they can't survive very well in the cold. So now that it's warming up, they're moving back up here, which is migration, when you move. The other animals that you might see, like the snowshoe hare and some foxes, right, that they change their colors. And originally they were brown and orange in summer and in fall, and then in winter they start to change white. And now that winter is over and we're in spring, they're turning back from white, turning back to brown or orange, depending on what color fur they have. And that, when the animals change their fur or make changes to their bodies, anyone remember what that word is called? It starts with an A. This one's pretty tough. I know it was hard for us to remember. Adaptation. Can we all say that together? Adaptation. So yeah, so animals are adapting. They're changing back. They are migrating, moving back, and they are waking up from their hibernations, which is when they're sleeping. So they're coming out of their dens and they're back being sociable. That's why you might hear a lot more birds chirping, because when these animals were hibernating, they were having babies and preparing themselves. So like I said, you'll hear a lot more birds chirping. There's a lot of new baby birds around. There's a lot more of baby animals, because this is the time that they're all coming out of their dens and their homes, because we haven't seen them throughout the winter. So yeah, this is the perfect time of year to see these types of patterns happening in nature. You're gonna see squirrels collecting more food because they ate through their whole winter stash. Probably like how we have to keep going to the store throughout our quarantine, because eventually we're going to eat through all of our food. So the squirrels are going to the store to recollect more acorns and nuts now that it's warm and they're back out. So yeah, and you've noticed that the trees are blooming that were dormant and leafless during the winter. So I think Miss Liz is going to be reading a story to us after this in a different video about baby animals and more about that and how they're waking up for winter. And there's more baby animals at this time of year during springtime than any other time of year. So definitely stay tuned for her video. And I think we should go ahead and say goodbye, shall we? Also, friends, I wanted to let you know I included a picture of my cat because I said before that I hoped that you would be able to see her. I thought you were able to see her during one of my videos, but you actually couldn't. So I included a video or a photo of her so you could actually see her. So yeah, so check that out. That should be up in the email as well. But yeah, friends, like I said, it's always great to hear from you, and we'll be in touch soon. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great to play and sing together on Purple Team, but now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Goodbye, Purple Team. Have a great weekend.